KFC, or Kentucky Fried Chicken, is a name known worldwide for its iconic fried chicken, with hundreds of millions of chicken pieces sold daily. KFC's scale is truly global. From Tokyo to New York to Paris, you'll find KFC serving its signature crispy golden brown chicken. The secret to KFC's success is delivering the same taste and quality everywhere. This consistency comes from advanced technology, precise processes, and strict quality control. The journey from farm to plate is a marvel of modern food production. KFC's global reach is built on innovation, quality, and a passion for great food. Achieving consistency in taste and quality across thousands of outlets worldwide is not an easy feat. KFC relies heavily on technology to ensure that every piece of chicken is the same, regardless of where it is made. This technological prowess is what sets KFC apart from many other fast food chains. The use of advanced machinery and integrated systems allows KFC to maintain strict control over every aspect of the production process. From the initial farming of chickens to the final frying, every step is monitored and adjusted to meet precise specifications. This ensures that the taste and texture of the chicken remain uniform across different locations. One of the key elements in achieving this consistency is the use of automated systems that handle everything from slaughtering to cooking. These systems are designed to minimize human error and maximize efficiency, allowing KFC to produce large quantities of chicken without compromising on quality. In addition to machinery, KFC employs sophisticated software and artificial intelligence to monitor and control the production process. These technologies help identify any deviations from the standard and allow for quick corrections, ensuring that every piece of chicken is up to the brand's standards. The journey of a KFC chicken piece begins on specialized poultry farms, where chickens are raised in highly controlled environments. Advanced technology regulates temperature, humidity, and lighting, creating optimal conditions for growth. This ensures chickens are healthy and reach the right weight for processing. They're fed a carefully formulated diet of corn, soybean, fish meal, and vegetable oil. Automated systems deliver precise amounts of food and water, ensuring consistency. Each chicken drinks filtered water daily, meeting strict hygiene standards. Once they reach the target weight, chickens are transported to processing factories. Here, technology ensures quality and consistency from farm to table. Once the chickens arrive at the processing factories, they enter a world of automation and precision. The factories use fully automated systems to process over 300 chickens per minute, ensuring efficiency and speed in handling large volumes. This high level of automation is crucial in maintaining the consistency and quality that KFC demands. The processing begins with stunning the chickens using carbon dioxide, a method that ensures the chickens are unconscious, reducing stress and pain. This humane approach is followed by automated neck cutting, which allows for fast and efficient blood drainage, ensuring the freshness of the meat. Next, the chickens are subjected to a hot water bath at temperatures between 60 to 65 degrees Celsius for about 40 seconds. This step softens the feathers, which are then removed by machines equipped with hundreds of rotating rubber fingers. This process is both fast and thorough, ensuring that the chickens are clean and ready for the next stage. Quality control is another critical aspect of the processing stage. Artificial intelligence-powered cameras inspect each bird, identifying any with bruises or deformities, and removing them from the line. This use of artificial intelligence ensures that only the best quality meat moves forward in the production process, maintaining KFC's high standards. After the initial processing, the chickens are ready to be portioned into the familiar pieces we associate with KFC meals. This stage involves advanced technology, including sensors and 3D cameras, to scan and determine the size of each chicken. This data is used to guide automated cutting systems that precisely separate the chicken into breasts, thighs, and wings. The cutting systems use high-precision steel blades to ensure that each piece is uniform in size and shape, which is critical for cooking consistency. The precision of these machines minimizes waste and ensures that every piece of chicken is suitable for serving to customers. Byproducts from the cutting process, such as bones, necks, and organs, are not wasted. Instead, they are diverted for other uses, such as in soups, animal feed, or for collagen extraction. This efficient use of resources is part of KFC's commitment to sustainability and reducing waste in its operations. Furthermore, X-ray technology is employed to scan the chicken pieces for any tiny bone fragments that may have been missed. Any pieces flagged by the X-ray are sent for manual deboning, ensuring that the final product is bone-free and safe for consumption. This meticulous attention to detail is a hallmark of KFC's production process. The marinating and breading process is where KFC's chicken begins to take on its distinctive flavor and texture. After portioning, the chicken parts are soaked in a brine or buttermilk solution. This step helps retain moisture and tenderizes the meat, preparing it for the infusion of flavors that follow. The marination process involves a secret blend of 11 herbs and spices that KFC is famously protective of. The exact composition of this blend is a closely guarded secret, with different suppliers knowing only parts of it. This ensures that the full recipe remains undisclosed, adding an element of mystery to KFC's signature taste. Once marinated, the chicken undergoes a specific hand breading technique. This involves a repeated process of coating the chicken in seasoned flour, a step that is repeated at least 7 times. This ensures that the coating sticks firmly to the chicken, resulting in an even and crispy exterior when fried. The combination of marination and breading is what gives KFC's chicken its unique flavor profile and texture. The careful attention to these steps ensures that every piece of chicken is flavorful and crispy, delighting customers around the world with each bite. Pressure frying is a technique that revolutionized the way KFC cooks its chicken, setting it apart from other fried chicken brands. This method was patented by Colonel Sanders in the 1930s and remains a core part of KFC's cooking process. It involves cooking the coated chicken in pressure fryers at a high, even temperature. The pressure frying process is quick, taking only 7 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the chicken piece. This rapid cooking time ensures that the chicken remains juicy and tender on the inside while developing a crispy, golden brown exterior. The pressure also helps lock in moisture, preventing the chicken from becoming dry. One of the significant advantages of pressure frying is that it results in less oil absorption compared to traditional frying methods. This contributes to a lighter taste and a less greasy texture, making KFC's chicken a popular choice for those seeking a satisfying yet not overly heavy meal. The art of pressure frying is a testament to KFC's commitment to innovation and quality. By perfecting this technique, KFC ensures that its chicken is not only delicious but also cooked to perfection every time, maintaining the brand's reputation for excellence. The culmination of controlled farming, automated processing, precise portioning, secret marinating, and pressure frying is what makes KFC's chicken a global taste phenomenon. Each piece of chicken reflects the meticulous attention to detail and technological innovation that goes into its production. The consistency in taste and quality across KFC outlets worldwide is a testament to the effectiveness of these processes. Whether you're enjoying KFC in a bustling city or a small town, the flavor and texture of the chicken remain the same, providing a sense of familiarity and satisfaction to customers everywhere. The use of technology not only enhances efficiency, but also ensures that KFC can meet the high demand for its products without compromising on quality. This ability to produce large quantities of chicken while maintaining uniformity is a key factor in KFC's success on the global stage. KFC's chicken is more than just a meal. It's an experience that brings people together, transcending cultural and geographical boundaries. The brand's commitment to quality and consistency ensures that this experience remains a cherished one for millions of customers worldwide. In conclusion, KFC's ability to sell 400 million chicken pieces daily is a remarkable achievement made possible by the harmonious blend of technology and tradition. From the controlled environments of chicken farms to the advanced machinery and processing factories, every step of the production process is designed to ensure quality and consistency. The use of technology, such as AI-powered cameras and automated systems, plays a crucial role in maintaining the high standards that KFC is known for. These innovations allow for precise control and monitoring of the production process, ensuring that every piece of chicken meets the brand's stringent criteria. At the same time, traditional elements like the secret blend of herbs and spices and the hand breading technique add a unique touch to KFC's chicken. These traditions, combined with modern advancements, create a product that is both familiar and innovative, appealing to customers around the world. Ultimately, KFC's success lies in its ability to balance technology with tradition, creating a distinctive product that stands out in the fast food industry. This balance ensures that KFC's chicken remains a beloved choice for customers, offering a taste of familiarity and excellence no matter where you are in the world.